Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Turkey Bacon Club from Tim Hortons. So, this big sandwich here is the Turkey Bacon Club. I got it with no tomato, and there's mayo, bacon, turkey, and lettuce on a big caprese, I think, bun, or whatever this bun may be. Looks pretty good, smells pretty good. I'm excited to try this one out, so I'm gonna get right into this. Pretty good. Turkey's kind of cold, but the bun's toasted. It's good. The bacon's warm, I think. It tastes pretty decent. Bread is nice too. Very good bread bun. That's pretty decent. Good lettuce, good sauce, good bun. I like the bacon on it. It's got a lot of flavor. You don't really taste the turkey. You mostly get bacon flavor. Big chunk of turkey there. Pretty good. And turkey is a bit cold. Starting to notice it with the bigger bites. I like my turkey to be warm. I usually like eating warm food, but it's not too bad on this. The bread's kind of toasted, so makes up for it. Last bite. Massive bag. Yeah, the Turkey Bacon Club tastes pretty decent. I mentioned the turkey's a little bit cold, but that's fine. Toasted bun, bacon's warm. So it's all like combined together to make a nice sandwich. It's a bit big because the bun is so thick and huge, but you get your money's worth. So this is a very filling meal. I've had these before, and geez, yeah, you're full after eating something like this. So if you're looking for something quick and easy to get that's going to keep you full, Turkey Bacon Club from Tim Hortons. So I'd give this a 7 out of 10. What I like best was that it's got a nice taste of the bacon on there. I'm not a huge fan of bacon, but it tasted good on that. Turkey's a little bit cold, but that's fine. It matches very well with everything else. The bun's toasted, and the bun is probably my favorite thing about this because it's toasted great, nice texture, and it tastes good. So everything together makes a very nice sandwich. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.